There are some hair oils which can really speed up hair growth, tackle hair loss, and improve the overall quality of the hair. If you're suffering from thinning hair, scalp problems, dandruff, or other hair issues, oils can support healthy growth of hair in men and women. Here's a list of the best hair oils that can help aid faster hair growth and help people of all races, black hair, blonde hair, and everything in between. Coconut oil is one of the best hair oils that gives healthy, soft, and lustrous hair. Coconut oil is a natural conditioner rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which repairs damaged hair. Coconut oil is known to penetrate into hair follicles and stimulate hair growth and moisturize dry hair. Coconut oil makes hair softer and prevents hair breakage and split ends. The disadvantage of this oil is that if you use it too often, it'll cause drying of the scalp and actually start negatively affecting hair growth. Jojoba oil is highly beneficial for both hair and skin because of its moisturizing and healing properties. Regular use of the oil makes hair lustrous and frizz-free. Jojoba oil aids in hair growth by helping in the growth of new hair cells. It acts against dandruff and thus reduces hair loss. It's also a great oil to carry out scalp massage with, which is a key element in helping healthy hair growth for all age groups and both genders. Argan oil comes from Morocco, sourced from nuts, and contains some vitamin E in it as well, which is known to improve skin, which in turn will help hair. Argan oil is taking the beauty world by storm, and why not? It's an excellent oil for healthy hair. It hydrates and moisturizes hair, it penetrates hair shafts and nourishes deeply. Argan oil is rich in antioxidants and repairs damaged hair. The high vitamin E and vitamin F content repairs damaged hair and makes the hair lustrous. Argan oil also treats split ends. It's known as liquid gold for its wonderful properties on hair and is absolutely great for hair damaged from heat styling. Sesame oil is used as a base oil in many Eastern preparations for hair growth. Since sesame oil is antimicrobial, it treats a lot of scalp infections and fungal infections. Sesame is best when used as a hot oil treatment. It conditions hair, nourishes scalp, and gets rid of dandruff, and the vitamin E in the oil boosts hair growth. Olive oil is a highly moisturizing hair oil. Rich in vitamin E, which is so important for hair growth, olive oil has a high concentration of antioxidants, which is good for both hair and skin. Olive oil is lightweight and contains oleic acid, which easily penetrates the hair shaft and locks in the moisture. Olive oil is one of the best natural conditioners available and will give you touchably soft and smooth hair with regular use. Since this oil has anti-inflammatory properties, it helps in treating dandruff, thereby reducing hair loss and aiding in subsequent hair growth. The benefits associated with this oil are based on fresh olive oil, which rapidly deteriorates within 30 days of being extracted. So the downside to this oil is it's difficult to obtain high-quality olive oil in shops. Finally, castor oil is rich in vitamin E, proteins, and minerals. It's a very viscous oil, and it's hard to wash it off the hair. But that's the only con. It works wonders on hair. Castor oil has antimicrobial properties that will help you get rid of dandruff and other scalp issues. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which treats scalp inflammations and diseases. Castor oil moisturizes and softens hair, maintaining the moisture level in the hair. Castor oil aids in blood circulation and therefore results in faster hair growth. Since it's moisturizing in nature, it can be used to treat dry scalp. Castor oil can be combined with other carrier oils like jojoba oil or sesame oil in a 50-50 ratio to help make it easier to massage into the scalp. Too much massage with this oil can cause burn-like marks on the scalp, so please do be careful when using this oil. And test it on your skin and allow 24 hours before properly using it on the whole scalp. To use, apply it well on scalp and run through the hair. Leave overnight and wash it with a mild shampoo the next day. Regular use of castor oil gives you healthy, thick, shiny, and moisturized hair. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 21 amazing vitamin E uses and benefits for hair growth, skin, and face. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.